This is the Patelai texture sponge. It comes in either a 1, 2, or 4 pack. I bought this for a particular job that I'm working on and I want to match the texture. I chose this size sponge because it fits nice in your hand and it's easy to work with. To expand them, all you do is put them in water and then wring it out. I can tell you, this is a well-made sponge. It holds nicely. It's not like your kitchen sponge. You can see how much it expanded. Look at the size of those cells. That is exactly what I'm looking for. I like the randomness and the size of the cells. It's nice and dense. I think this is going to work perfect for the job that I have for this. Let's see if I can match the texture. Let's see how I did. This is what I'm trying to mimic. And this is what I ended up with. I like the randomness, you know, it pretty much, as far as I'm concerned, matched what I did here. Just by knocking down the higher spots. I still need to add sealer, but you can see it looks great. We'll see how well that blends, but I bet you it's good.